happy. So the happy, there's two signs that you can do. So you can either hit the heel onto the other heel of your hand and be like happy, make sure you have a happy face. Or you can do it with your thumbs out and you can do like a weird clap, like happy. So happy or happy. Birthday. So for birthday, if you have your hands flat and you have them just near your hips and you bring it out, like this is the birth part, and then you come up for day. So it's birthday. Birthday. So happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. And then for the name, you can either do just the first letter of their name, like A, or you can finger spell their name, like A, B, C. So we do have a free alphabet poster that you can download from our shop. So happy birthday, dear A, B, C. Happy birthday to you.